And this is how to allow weekend appointment bookings in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you. Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to allow weekend bookings in Hostinger website builder appointment system. As you see, by default, the Saturdays and Sundays are blocked from booking by default. So how to allow them? It's simple. Just go to hpanel.hostinger.com, log into your Hostinger account and click on websites. Now, next to your website, click on manage store. This way, you will automatically land on the store management area instead of the website builder. Now, to allow weekend bookings in Hostinger appointment system, simply go to appointments and click on availability. Now, here in your weekly hours, make sure to check this box next to Saturday and Sunday. And of course, you can edit the time slot from here, and you can even add a separate one here. Now that the Saturdays and Sundays are available, enabled, let's go back. Make sure before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger website builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger website builder, how to choose and customize your template, how to master page and navigation design, also design pages and add-in content, building specific page types, blogging with Hostinger builder, create an online store, forms in general, emails and the integrations, advanced features and design enhancement, SEO, analytics and tracking tools, backup and cloning maintenance, and also final touches and optimization. To get all of this today for free, plus my other free online courses, which are Google Sites, Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost web hosting, Hostinger web hosting, Hostinger WordPress, and also Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. Now that the Saturdays and Sundays are available, enabled, let's go back, make sure, or let's see if this this box check-in is enough. So I will give my website a visit, then go to store, open again the calendar, and as you see, now the Saturdays and Sundays are available for booking. So no need to update your website from the website builder. Just checking those two boxes is enough.